Some see just a salon. We see a stage.
L'Oréal Professionnel presents
Run the Hair Show. The international hair series by pros for pros.
And all hair lovers.
And now, meet your hosts.
Salut tout le monde, I am Peggy Frey, French fashion journalist.
Bonjour, I'm Charlie Lemandu, hair designer.
I'm Min Kim, a color specialist.
Welcome to la première of Run the Hair Show.
Run the Hair Show.
So happy to be with you guys.
Meet hair pros from across the globe.
Le tête-à-tête.
You will look great in a mullet.
Discover the hottest hair trends.
La revue.
Master signature techniques.
La masterclass.
Discover expert tips and tricks.
Pro secrets.
Never lie to a hairdresser because we know it.
Sometimes I lied.
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
Dive into hair science.
Le lab.
Make a positive impact.
Stand for pros.
Let me take you to another world.
The best of the best.
La Première.
Fasten your seatbelt, fix your hair, let's roll.
Run the Hair Show.